Today, I'm using Windows 10 2004. Will the experience be the same as Windows 10 20H2 to 21H2? Well, we're about to find out. As we power on the system and go to the Windows Boot Manager, we have got Windows Boot Manager in here. So keep in mind that I have Windows 10 and Windows 8 dual booted. So we're gonna go with Windows 10. And let's just hope that this experience is not a Windows 10 20H2 experience. Because when I use Windows 10 20H2 to 21H2, I keep on getting the blue screen of death multiple times. Oh great, there's another Windows update. Okay, there we go. We have successfully logged in to Windows. The basic tasks that I have to do. Number one, I have to open up Task Manager, then open Edge, then try to run some games, and then shut off the computer. So we're gonna open up the Task Manager by pressing Control Shift Escape. Okay. Good. More details. Wow, I really like how they introduced the new Task Manager in that time. And good thing it isn't eating our RAM. We're at 2.1 usage. C and B, I have an SSD, Windows 10 on Windows 11 on, and HDD is a really bad idea because it'll just slow down the computer, and then sometimes it's just gonna be very unresponsive. Our GPU is doing fine. We have like 42 degrees Celsius in there, and at least everything is good to go. Now we need to open up Microsoft Edge. Really hope it doesn't blue screen like the last time. Here we go. We opened up Edge. We're good to go. Go to google.com. Look at that. I can still open Google. Now the next thing we have to do is to run some games. Now I don't mind playing the Microsoft Store games. What I have to run is CPU intensive games. So we're gonna try BeamNG because this is a CPU intensive game. I'm gonna press launch game, and we're gonna wait for this to start up. I really hope we don't get any errors. The speaker is also working. And if you look at my speaker, there's like a little cut right there. I don't know how this happened. Let's try going to free roam. And let's try GridMap V2. And we're gonna wait for this to start up. Okay, it finally loaded up. Pick up the volume a little bit. As you can see, it's still working. I didn't have issues in 1909, but I don't even have issues in 2004. So I guess this is running pretty good. We're good to go with the game tests. And the last thing we have to do is to shut down the computer. But before we do that, I even had a main problem with Windows 10's newer builds. It just blue screens a lot every time I try to restart the computer. That's why I actually downgraded to 1909, and then I stayed on that build and converted my desk to GPT, and I really think this might be fixed. So let's try restarting the computer, and then after that we're gonna shut it off. Really hope you don't blue screen. Okay, it's working. It's completely working, to be honest. Wait, okay, hang on a sec. Okay. Okay, Windows Boot Manager, we already have it. Windows 10. The restart was a success. We're now logging in. And that's actually the main problem, because every time when I try to log in, it blue screens sometimes. Okay, the login was a success. Now we're just gonna have to shut off the PC and wrap this up for today. Oh my god, the start menu is really slow, but we're still pretty good. So I guess that wraps it up. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Also, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And see you guys in the next video.